Hi, welcome to Watercolor Wednesday. Today we're going to try a couple things that are going to be kind of weird. Okay, so after a whole bunch of trial and error, I have figured out how we're going to do this. So you're going to need some pre-cut watercolor squares. You're also going to need some ink. Not exactly what I wanted. Okay. There we go. You were rejected. You know, so make a question that you want. This is really dark. Almost orange, and we kind of want it all lemon yellow. Now, the reason I'm using ink today instead of watercolor is because I want the colors to be really vibrant. And also, after experimenting with it a couple times, this was gonna take a ton of watercolor and I don't want to run out of it that quickly. So for this one, I'm gonna add some over here. That's enough. I'm gonna take some water and add it because it was, just way too dark. Alright, so we are back. These did take quite a while to dry. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn these into chicks for Easter. So I'm gonna pick out some pens. I have a Micron 01. We'll have some graphic ones. Make sure you test these. And so first of all, I'm gonna take this one and I'm going to draw in the eyes. And I'm going to draw in the beak. And why not just make some little wings? So that's it. Now we're gonna do this for a lot of them. This one is angry. At the tools we used really quickly, we had a palette and water, because I didn't bother to bring a real water cup out right now. I've got some V5 pilots in varying colors. This is totally optional and I just did it because I love V5s. White gel pen and some black microns. Have a 01 and a graphic one. And then we have our squares. And of course, whether you're using ink or you are using watercolors, those are gonna be the colors you're gonna want to go for, are, you know, I advise using ink just because it's going to be a lot more vibrant and you're going to use a lot less of it. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. Especially the yellow. It would have taken so much watercolor to make those that yellow. But I hope you've enjoyed this. You want to make sure that you let these dry for quite a while. And then pick out your favorites. These two are mine. But have a great day. I hope you guys have some fun creating some weird stuff for Easter or spring or whatever you want. But I'll see you again soon. And have a happy Watercolor Wednesday. Bye.